Exploring the skies, SpaceX's Starship and the FAA's crucial role. Welcome to the world of SpaceX's Starship, a groundbreaking orbital spacecraft transforming our journey into space. This isn't just science and engineering, it's also about policy. A key player in this cosmic chess game is the Federal Aviation Administration. The FAA plays a vital role. It grants SpaceX the launch license, a crucial document without which Starship could never leave the ground. The launch license ensures safety standards are met, protecting both SpaceX's crew and Earth's population from potential disasters in the ambitious mission. But it's not a simple process. Obtaining the launch license involves rigorous checks, multiple inspections, and thorough risk assessments, all under the FAA's watchful eye. The FAA's involvement doesn't end with licensing. They continue to monitor every launch, ensuring compliance and maintaining safety standards in real-time conditions. So, the FAA's launch license isn't just a piece of paper. It's a lifeline, guiding SpaceX's Starship safely onto the final frontier.